Welcome to my channel. This tutorial related to Power Query. How to use Power Query in Excel. First, we have to understand what is a Power Query. Power Query. Suppose we have multiple sources or sheets connected to one location and get the and combine these sources and sheets and convert into a final record. It will help to improve our efficiency and reduce our workflow. If we update any record in our any of the source, after refreshing our final record, it will get updated. Let's start our video. From here, we have sum our client record with ID, name, email, and country. We will convert it into our query. Simply go to data, click on form, table, or range. You can see the query editor form will be open, and then we will close and load. You will get the data in our new sheet, that is a table number 1, and the table name is table 1-1. Our existing table source name is table 1. If we update any record in our table and save it, and we will go to table number 1 and refresh our data, you will see the latest record updated in our query table. Let's suppose we update in between our table Dravid, Kamle, North, East. So we have to update this record in our query. Simply refresh the data. Now you can see our record updated. Here are the simple things we are using or creating a Power Query. We will go each of the parameter related to the query, go to the query and connection. In right hand side you will see our query and connection. Simply click on edit. Now here you can see our record. The source of the table is table 1 and content. Here are some data change type, our record in which format. We will learn each of the parameter as I mentioned in the Power Query. First, we will see the first parameter. We will see the refresh preview. In this option, we have 3 sub option: refresh preview, refresh all, cancel the refresh. If we refresh the data, we want to refresh the data, simply click on refresh. Then the second parameter is the query properties. If you click the properties, you will see the query name and the description. If you want to set the description, you will mention. The next option is advanced editor. This is the advanced type of editor we will learn in future. The another option is manage. In this we will see 3 options: delete, duplicate, and reference. Suppose if you want to create duplicate, simply click on duplicates. You can also see the option over here, duplicate. If you want to delete this record, simply delete the record. If you want to reference this table directly, you will get reference record. Now we will move to the another option. Here is the choose column. Go to the column. It is not important. It is simply when you select any record or want to go any of the column, simply select and click OK. You will directly reach those columns. A remove column. In this option, you will see remove columns or remove. It is similar to the choose column. If you want to select email and don't want to simply remove from here, I'm restoring the value. If I want only this column and want to remove other columns, simply click on remove other columns. It will remove all the column except we have selected. Keep rows. We will discuss in later. At present it will not require that much. Important things are if you want to split the column by the delimiter, simply select the split column by delimiter and delimiter was at the rate, click OK. Your email column will be split in two columns, before at the rate and after at the rate. If you want to see it work after the loading, simply go click on load. You will get your data into splitted column. Suppose we have added another record. We have added some records in our source and we will save it and refresh our record. It will update in our query table, as you can see, and it also split the column by the delimiter of at the rate. The group function is an important function used in a Power Query, but we don't have a sufficient data, so we will view in after some time. The another option is a replace value. Suppose we want to replace example.com equal to gmail.com. Simply go replace, simply select the column, replace the value, and we want to replace example.com to gmail.com and then click OK. It will replace the whole value into required value. Now the another important parameter or a function is a merge query. Currently we have only one table. This will learn after some time. The append query, this is also work when two or more tables available. The another option is a data source setting. You can manage your data source from here directly. New query option, you can get the in the data source, new source, you can get the data from Excel, text CSV, XML, JSON, PDF, folder, SharePoint list, and database. If you have any database, you can get the directly data from here. And the other source is a web SharePoint list, OD data feed, and etc. In this tutorial, we have completed all the options.